Every Laravel developer wishes to contribute to Laravel, but it's hard to find a starting point on how to do that. Where to start, how this, what that. There are a good number of questions, and searching on internet won't be much of a help. There are many articles on how to do Laravel, but almost no detailed information on how to contribute to this master framework. In this video, we will try to find answers to some of these questions. Let's get started. Hello there. My name is msamgan, a fellow software engineer in learning, and today we are going to discuss how to contribute to Laravel. Before getting into the contribution, I would suggest you to get yourself familiarized with Laravel. It can be done by reading the documentation, building a couple of projects, engaging more and more with the community. If you think you are ready, then let's dive into it. To make the contribution to Laravel, like any other open source contribution, you first have to fork the repository. While forking, uncheck the latest release branch only check. If you don't uncheck it, you will have only the latest release branch in your fork. Now we create a new Laravel project. Let's call it Laravel app. Next, we clone the fork. Let's make sure it's in the same directory as our Laravel app. Once all the things are in place, we update the content of composer.json in our Laravel app. Make minimum stability to dev and update the file to read the Laravel framework from our local disk by adding the repository key with the content in the description and run composer update. You will see that a symlink has been created between our local Laravel framework and vendor. Any change you make in the local Laravel framework will be reflected in the vendors now. Now you have your setup ready. To contribute, create a new branch, feature or bug as per your update. Make all the required updates and commit your changes. Create an issue with a detailed description and submit the PR against the issue with the branch you created. And that's it. Rest is with moderators, accepting, denying, or asking for changes however they feel fit. Feel free to provide your feedback in comment section. This is Mohammed Samgan Khan, a fellow software engineer in learning.